Tuff writer press mechanism pens are lightweight, robust, easily maintained, and, should the need arise, completely repairable. This video will cover basic field disassembly and reassembly of your pen. We will be using a precision press pen in this video, but it is applicable to all of our press mechanism pens. Basic disassembly generally requires no tools, but they can be helpful in certain situations. We will go over them during the appropriate step. We recommend disassembling your pen on a surface free from clutter. Before we go any further, let's familiarize ourselves with the basic anatomy of the pen. Each press pen is composed of three main parts: the tip, the body, and the press mechanism. To begin, unscrew the tip from the body, turning the tip counterclockwise. Unscrew until completely separated. If you are having trouble, you can use soft jaw pliers to help. Make sure to use tape or other protective measures to prevent damaging the finish on your pen and tip O-rings. Once the tip is removed, tip the parts over onto your work surface. 3 parts should come out of the pen: the spring, the ink cartridge, and the exact fit spacer. Please note, some mini press pen generations do not have an exact fit spacer. For normal disassembly, this is where you can stop. The press mechanism should only be removed when necessary for major cleaning or replacement. Removing it can be tricky, so be sure to take your time. For newer pens, with a very firm grip on the base of the mechanism, turn it counterclockwise to unscrew it from the body. If you grab the top button of the mechanism, it will freely spin and the mechanism will not unscrew. If you find it too difficult, do not worry. In the case of a tough-to-remove mechanism or older pen that used thread lock on the mechanism, you will need to use soft jaw pliers. Grab the base of the mechanism very firmly and twist counterclockwise. That's all it should take. In the case of thread lock, we recommend cleaning the old thread lock residue before reassembly. Isopropyl alcohol and Q-tips is all it takes. Now it's time to put things back together. Screw the press mechanism onto the top of the body clockwise. Next, it's time to put the internals in place. Take a moment to look at the correct configuration and orientation of the internals once they are installed. To begin, turn the pen upside down with the tip hole facing upward. The first piece to go in is the exact fit spacer. It doesn't matter which end faces up or down. Next, drop in the ink refill with the tip facing up. For the last part to go in, place the spring onto the end of the ink cartridge. Finally, screw the tip onto the body firmly. Click the mechanism a few times to make sure the pen cycles. It might take a couple of presses for everything to reset and cycle. You have now completely field disassembled and reassembled your pen.